Energizing the reversing valve means applying control power to the valve that changes a heat pump between heating and cooling modes. A reversing valve is a four-way valve inside a heat pump that redirects refrigerant flow, so the outdoor unit either extracts heat from outside to warm inside or rejects heat outside to cool inside. When we say energize the valve, we mean supplying the standard 24-volt control signal to the valve coil so it shifts position. Technicians often apply 24 volts to the O or B thermostat terminal to force the valve to the cooling or heating position respectively depending on system wiring. To test function, we isolate the terminal at the air handler or control board and use a jumper or a voltmeter with the system powered to confirm the coil receives voltage when the thermostat calls for the opposite mode. If the compressor does not change its operational direction after energizing the valve, we check for stuck valve components, loss of coil continuity, or incorrect reversing valve type and wiring. Always cut power before working on wiring and follow lockout procedures while confirming correct terminal labeling to avoid damaging controls. Common mistakes include assuming energizing equals immediate mode change when refrigerant pressures may need time to equalize. Wait a few minutes and run the system under load before declaring failure. Another frequent issue is applying power to the wrong terminal because some thermostats label O and B differently. Verify with the equipment wiring diagram or measure continuity to the valve coil. A third problem is forcing the valve electrically when the coil or valve spool is mechanically seized. If energizing does not move the spool, remove power and inspect for corrosion or debris and service, or replace the valve assembly as needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and troubleshooting tips about heat pumps and reversing valves. We help contractors find job leads and homeowners find peers and resources for smart decisions.